My name is Mike Graziano. I've been an Import Car Center customer for 7 years and I live in Southlake. I'm a former Marine officer and integrity is very important to me, and that's something that I found here at Import Car Center. The quality of service I've received has really been impeccable. From the professionalism and the friendliness of the staff, the folks here really stand behind the quality of their work. And that's one of the reasons they've earned my business year after year.